farmer protest, or rather a group of small farm organizations representing a very, very few farmers. Do they have legitimate demands? No. Do they have the support of the local public? Absolutely not. Do they have anything credible to offer in terms of what kind of policies they want? Absolutely not. The Congress looks too excited to jump on the bandwagon because they tried the OBC card in Madhya Pradesh. It failed. Rahul Gandhi starts his Nyaya Yatra from the northeast, tries to play the federal card, it fails. Then he jumps onto Modi ki caste kya hai card, it fails. Then his chief minister stage a protest in Jantar Mantar, bhaiya hamara tax ka paisa aise kharch ho raha hai, waise kharch ho raha hai, fails. Now his last resort is the farmer protest. What I find interesting is that the Congress says this is the protest of all the country's farmers. But Padmaja, if we talk about the MSP operation specifically, just 5 to 6% of the farmers benefit from the MSP operations. So how is it a pan-India protest? Just 5 to 6% of the agricultural produce produced in India is covered under MSP operations. So how is it a pan-India protest? In Karnataka, which is currently held by the Congress, it's one of the key exporters of coffee. The farmers trade with the private sector. Northeast, where Rahul Gandhi was seen saying good things about
dairy farming.
Dairy farming in
so
Punjab.
Yeah.
Dairy farming in Punjab. MSP. No MSP, working well with the private sector.
Poultry farming, which happens in West Bengal. No MSP.
Livestock, cash crops, horticulture. Himachal, another Congress bastion. Himachal sends its fruits to Adani. They sell it through Adani. Punjab, the biggest irony, Padmaja. Where do the food grains go for storage when they are to be traded? Adani silos. तो कहां का पैन इंडिया प्रोटेस्ट? बहुत छोटे से एक वर्ग का प्रोटेस्ट है. डिमांड्स बिल्कुल इलेजिटिमेट है, जैसा लोगों ने भी बिल्कुल पॉलिटिकल. आप ग्राफ नीचे करने की बात करें.
No, but some people are saying Aam Aadmi Party is doing it. Some people are saying Congress is doing it. Who is this hidden hand? That is the question.
I think Aam Aadmi Party has a lot to worry about in Delhi to do any mischief in Punjab. But again, the kind of demands that are being made, of course, there is a certain political backing to it. But do I call the farmer protest an economic or an agricultural problem? Absolutely not. It's strictly political. And I say this by the kind of interviews that have been given by the people on the ground. एक gentleman कहते हैं, हम इनके साथ रहना नहीं चाहते, हम पे जुल्म कर रहे हैं, हम इंटरनेशनल बिरादरी को अपील कर रहे हैं.
होते हैं यहाँ पे, मतलब एक कार क्रैश होता है, चार अजीब से लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं.
If you're talking about a legitimate protest, can you allow an illegitimate or a fringe voice to be
there will be all kinds of people. बगल से चार लोग आ जाएंगे, कोई कहेगा मुझे खालिस्तान चाहिए, कोई कहेगा मुझे पाकिस्तान.
नहीं, but Padmaja कैसे?
But are the leaders saying it? Are the leaders saying that we want a separate country?
But the leaders are endorsing them. They're not stopping them.
Okay. So you're saying it's political?
Purely political, last-ditch attempt to unseat the BJP, which is going to fail.
Okay.